grand launch of Mine and Yours exclusive exhibition at Hotel Taj West End, Bangalore. The grand launch of the Mine and Yours exclusive exhibition took place at the prestigious Hotel Taj West End in Bangalore on Sunday, drawing an enthusiastic crowd of fashion lovers, jewelry enthusiasts, and lifestyle aficionados. The event was inaugurated by Harpreet Singh, the visionary founder of Mine and Yours exhibition, alongside acclaimed actress Nandita Sweta. The exhibition, which focuses on wedding fashions, jewelry, lifestyle, and more, aims to offer an unparalleled shopping experience for those seeking luxury and elegance. Harpreet Singh, known for curating high-end fashion and lifestyle events, expressed his excitement about bringing the exhibition to Bangalore. We are thrilled to present this exclusive collection that showcases the finest in wedding fashion, jewelry, and lifestyle. Bangalore, with its vibrant fashion culture, is the perfect city to host this event, and we are excited to connect with the fashion-forward audience here, he said. Actress Nandita Sweta, gracing the event with her presence, added a touch of glamour to the launch. Speaking about the exhibition, she remarked, "It's wonderful to see such a diverse and exquisite collection all under one roof. This exhibition truly caters to the discerning tastes of fashion enthusiasts and soon-to-be brides who are looking for something unique and luxurious." The exhibition features a carefully curated selection of top designers and brands, showcasing the latest trends in bridal wear, couture, jewelry, and lifestyle products. From stunning bridal lehengas to intricately designed jewelry pieces, the event offers something for everyone. Attendees had the opportunity to explore a wide range of products, from haute couture and bridal wear to fine jewelry and luxury lifestyle goods. Fashion lovers and jewelry enthusiasts flocked to the exhibition, eager to discover the latest trends and designs in the wedding and lives.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್, ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಮೈನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯೋರ್ಸ್ ವೆಡ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಶೋನಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀವಿ ತಾಜ್ ವೆಸ್ಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ ಟುಡೇ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟುಮಾರೋ ಹಿಯರ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ wedding collections, jewelry and sarees, what not. Please do visit the place, and ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ನಾನಂತೂ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಓಡ್ಬರ್ತೀನಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಇವತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ತುಂಬ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿ ಆಗಿರೋಂಥ ಡಿಸೈನರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಬ್ರೈಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗ್ರೂಮ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಬ್ರೈಡ್ಸ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ನೀವು ಬಂದು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಾನು ಕೂಡ ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನನಗೆ ವೆಡ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ವೈಬ್ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ, ಬೇಗ ಮದುವೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅನಿಸ್ತದೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ. ಎನಿವೇಸ್ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು. ಈ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ ಈವೆಂಟ್ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾಳೆ ತಾಜ್ ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬಂದು ಶಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಶಾಪಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಗುಡ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ಒನ್ ರೂಫ್, ಒಂದೇ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಫೀಮೇಲ್ಸ್ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಬರ್ಬೋದು, ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಒಂದು ವೆನ್ಯೂ ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಲಾಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್, ಈಸಿ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಐ ಫೀಲ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಗುಡ್.
So this is Harpreet from Delhi, and I am the founder of Mine and Yours Wedding Show. We come to Bangalore twice in a year and put up the entire wedding collection for all the brides to be. So if you are a bride to be or a groom to be, or you have a wedding in the family, or you are a bridesmaid, this is a perfect place to visit. You can get the top designers and the top jewelers. Like if you will see, we have Hazuri Lal from Delhi, then we have Gulecha from Jaipur. They have the finest jewelry pieces and the rarest jewelry pieces which you can't find. So all these jewelers from all over. Then there's JKJ from there's so many jewelers from Calcutta, Jaipur, Delhi. All this you won't be able to get together under a single roof. You'll have to travel all the way to all these cities to get a hang of it. So we are here for 2 days, today and tomorrow, which is 15th and 16th. I would request to all of you to make the most out of it, and happy shopping. Come and take a look, and there's a lot for festive wear also. So yeah.
Hi guys, I'm Anshika. I'm into influencing and I'm really excited to be a part of yours and mine wedding. I'm not married yet, but whenever I am getting married, I'm definitely coming to buy this Hazuri Lal Jewelers. The jewelry looks really great, and I think Bangalore is doing a great job getting all these brands under one roof. So wherever you are, please visit yours and mine wedding today and tomorrow and shop a lot, because I think they've got the best collection so far over here.
Hey guys, I'm Disha Karyappa. I'm at the Mine and Yours Wedding Show, and here is some amazing display of bridal wear and bridal jewelry. You guys should definitely come and check it out. When you're here, you feel like you want to be a bride. Just look at this Kalki outfit that I'm wearing. This just gives me the bridal feels, the bridesmaid feels. So guys, do check it out. It's damn cool and it's fun out here. See you.